4 paari sukka, põll, rätik, jakiree, 2 süed. Ämm saab kõige rohkem veimi. Teised saavad ainult kas ühe tüdriku ristitutred, need saavad ühed, tädid saavad sukad, ristimed saavad sukad.
And there are special rules which relative must get which present.
Ning neid seerepäludesse kõikele kaugelt tule saa uiest. Pärast kasutame siia põllapaldaks või ükskõik kus siia põllale sellele.
These belts are made specially for the wedding to tie up these gifts. Later you can use it wherever, here.
Ning nendega seotakse meestele veemed kaela siis. Neid tüdrikud kuduvad sõrmkendu hea meelega, siis teadvad, et saavad pulma. Need kõik poissmehed, kes pulmas on, saavad siuksed mustad sõrmkendad.
All single men at the wedding get this pair of
Ning vanemad naised jälle ütlevad, tuua meil on vaja üks koer kendu kududa. See aitas veimi teha. 117 paari kendu me jagasi pulmaaegas välja. Me olid 2 pool pulmad, tüdriku pool ning minu pool ning mehe pool, poisi pool.
When she got married, she distributed 114 pairs of gloves and mittens. Because she had the party at 2 houses, the house of the bride and the house of the groom. So the both relatives got presents. And she did not make these mittens and gloves herself, but she made 44 pairs of stockings, which she also distributed, and those were made by herself. She started at the age of 9.